Okay, we are making one of my favorite things, and that's a biscuit. So we need 1 stick of butter, just 1 stick, softened. Put it right in. It's good and soft. 2 cups of self-rising flour. I use White Lily. And 2 cups of sour cream. Okay. 3/4 cup of garlic powder. Yes, 3/4 cup. And about 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. And I have 1 little thicker one. I'm just gonna kind of chop it up and dice it up in little tiny pieces and put it in. Okay. Then we need the fun part. 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. Oh, let me take off my rings, because we're going to do the biscuit thing. Kind of squeeze it all together. This goes with so many delicious things. This can go with a pot roast, which I'm going to cook this with. These is going with my pot roast. You can do it with oven fried chicken. We're giving it a little bit of zing. We're going to get it where it's not so wet. Oh, this smells so good. We're going to give this a little bit of, I'll need a little bit more flour. I'm going to turn it out here in just a minute. I'm going to turn it on this cutting board. We're going to get it good and mixed. Oh, it smells delicious, y'all. I don't think I'd use fresh garlic. It might would burn, because we're going to put these on such high heat, 425. Yeah, heat your oven to 425. Then get my pan ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and spray it. I'm going to use parchment paper. It just works better. Just spray a little bit on the pan. We just want the parchment paper to stick. Fancy. Now, let's get this out on this board. Move this board over just a little bit. I'm going to put our flour on. And y'all, these smell so good. You got to make these. You really got to make them. These take no time to make, and they will just make your meal taste so special. And what I'm going to do is, because I'm not going to need all these for tonight, I'm going to save some of these, and I'm going to have pot roast tonight. So I think these will go great with the pot roast. And tomorrow night I'm having oven fried chicken. And so I think these will go with the oven fried chicken. So I'm going to do half, and half tonight and half tomorrow night. I'm going to flash freeze these. I've been wanting to do that anyway. And this is such a wet dough. stick it in the refrigerator. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Let it get good and cold, clean up some of this mess, and come back out. This has not been my day for YouTube. I just realized I shot this whole video of me making up those biscuits with the camera off. So let me go get the biscuits out of the oven. I just put them in there, and you can see, I mean, you've seen me cut biscuits before. I can't believe I did this. Look at that. That's what they look like. That's what my biscuits look like. I showed y'all the layers and everything. But they're too, you can't touch them because they've been in the oven. So these go into a 425-degree oven. I flash froze these. These are what they look like. These are what my biscuits look like cut out. You didn't get to see me cut them out. Roll it out and cut it out, but this is what it looks like. So anyway, I'm flash freezing these, and then whenever I need them for my next meal that I may need them for, I'm just gonna take them out. I'm gonna flash freeze them, throw these in a little baggie once they get hard, like you see at the grocery store, but these are homemade. Y'all, those hot pepper biscuits, oh my gosh, they look so good. Oh my goodness. They're gonna be good. They'd be great with hot pepper jelly. Oh my god, a sweet hot pepper jelly. These are my hot pepper biscuits. That cheese burst through. Look at that. Oh, we got to try one. I burnt my finger today. I left out half the recording. Now I'm gonna try to get to these biscuits. Used a spatula. Look at those. Oh my goodness. The bottom, pretty brown. Good and brown. Look at these biscuits. They are done too. That cheese piping hot. Oh, I gotta let them cool. I've already burnt my finger today. And I don't want to let them cool, but I'm gonna let them cool. I'm gonna let them cool for a few minutes. I really am. I'm gonna let them biscuits cool. I'm gonna behave myself. Finished cleaning up my kitchen. Okay, we are going to try this hot biscuit. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's hot. It's not as spicy. Maybe I should have put in another tablespoon. Red pepper flake. No, it just got me. When you think it's not gonna get you, it gets you. You gotta make these biscuits. Hot pepper biscuits. You had some hot pepper jelly. I don't have any hot pepper jelly, I don't think. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Go make these biscuits. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like, comment below. You guys go. I'm just so thankful for every one of you. Thank you for watching. Go make these biscuits. Oh my goodness, they're so good.